Assalamu alaikum, hayakumullah, ahlan wa sahlan. Hi everyone. Now we will complete about the percentage or about ratio unit 4. Okay, question number 13. Yalla Yasmin, قرأي.
If you know that the share of zakat is 1/40 and the amount of zakat is 1,800 riyals, then what would be the original amount?
Yes. What is it will be here? Now said 1/4. So zakah, if you want to find the zakat, so you divide it by 40. If you have 40 riyals, then we want to find the zakah, we divide it by 40 equals 1 riyals.
So if we want
This,
if we want to find the original, we multiply it by 40?
we want to find the original amount, we multiply by 40. You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so here now the zakah give me 18,000. Over 100,000, 1,800 times 40.
So it's be 72,000. I can't hear you. Your mic is muted. I don't know if it's an accident or on purpose.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. Okay, now number 14, continue.
Okay. What is the percentage of 0.3 of 60?
Yeah, what is the percentage? So we need to find the percentage. If I want to find the percentage, so 0.3 of those 60 times what?
Times 100.
Times 100, right? We
Yes.
simplify, so 0 with 0. And 0.3 times 10 is 3 over what? Over 6. It will be half.
So 1/2.
Yeah, 1/2.
0.5.
Yeah, 1/2 is 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Here, this 0.5 percentage.
So we multiply 0.5 by 60?
No, this 0.5 percentage.
Oh, that's the answer.
Yeah, in the options or in the multiple choice here. So we don't have percentage. Should be here, but percentage. But we don't have percentage. So what will I do? So you divide it by 100. So 0.5 divided 100. So that
0.005?
yes, 0.005. So the answer is A. Clear?
Also, if there's no percentage in the choices, I have to divide it by 100 or the answer is wrong.
Yeah, it's you do. Yeah, if you have percentage, no need to divide by 100. If we have percentage like this, so the answer is B, 0.5 percentage. If you don't have percentage, you should be divided by 100. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, number 15.
A road where cars usually travel at speed of 50 kilometers per hour, but due to maintenance, cars travel at speed of 35 kilometers per hour. Find the percentage of the speed drop.
Yes.
So do we have to subtract
We
35
find
from
the
50?
speed first, right? What is the speed will be? Because from 50 at speed
15.
35. So we find the difference speed drop. So 50
15.
minus 35, it's what?
15 kilometers per hour.
Then we find the percentage. So percentage equals 15 divided the original. What's
50
the original? Is 50
times
times
100.
100. Yalla, simplify.
So it's 10 and then 5 and then 15
Is
multiplied by 10.
2. So 30%. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Where is it 30%? So the answer is clear.
So we divided by 50 على طول.
أيوة, divided in 100 divided by 50 is 2. 15
Right.
times 2 is 30. Clear?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yalla. Okay, number 16. Yalla, try to solve.
A man died and he had 2 wives, 2 daughters, and a sister. If the share of the 2 wives together is 1/8, the share of the 2 daughters together is 2/3, and the amount they inherited was 480,000. Then find the share of the sister. So we multiply by 1/8 and then by 2/3, and then we add them together,
Yes.
and then we find the difference
Yes.
between the original and the answer.
Right. Correct. This you said is the first way. We have another method. So we find the fraction.
Also, we add them
The
first.
rest fraction. So you add 1/8 plus 2/3 and subtract. Yes. Subtract. So 1 minus 1/8 plus 2/3.
Oh, R1.
Because when you add the sum of the fraction equals 1. يعني كل مجموع الكسور يساوي لنا 1.
Oh, okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Then we put the same denominator. You multiply. So we added. So this will be, you multiply by 3, by 3. So there's also 24. And here 24. Here you multiply by 8, by 8. So the same fraction, 24.
So 24 minus 3 plus 8. I
Yeah.
mean plus
Because minus
15.
together 3 and plus 8 is negative 11. 24 negative 11.
So 13/24.
Yeah, what is it? The remainder. So I think here you multiply 8. Oh, 8 times 2 is what? Is 16,
16.
right?
Yeah,
Right? Yeah, it's
yeah.
6
So it's 24 minus
is 19.
5.
24 minus 19 is will be 5 over 24. Right? So
Yeah.
this the rest the fraction that represent or the fraction find the share of the sister. So we
So we just multiply this by the original?
5 over 24 times the amount. So
480,000.
for 80,000 for 48,000. You multiply. You simplify, this will be 1, this will be 2. Then you multiply, you put 0 for 0. 2, 5 times 2 is 10.
So 100,000.
Yes, 100,000. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Right, correct. Okay, this 100,000. So the answer is A. This is the first way. And the second method you said, we what? We find it. You multiply 48,000 times 180. 18. Also, time 2 over 3. You find it. Then you subtract.
Okay.
Clear? Then you
Yeah.
okay, try it. Number 1. Try it here. 1. Read.
A man died and left 800,000 riyals. He had a wife, a daughter, and 3 sons. If the share of the wife is 1 over 8 and the share of each son is 1 over 4, what is the share of the girl? So we do the exact same as before. We add 1 over 8 and plus 1 over 4 and 1 over 4 because there's 3 sons. So we add it by 1 over 4 3 times.
Yeah, so the same way. Or you can find it in the, you find that it 800,000. You find it, you multiply 1 over 8 times 1 over 4, then you find the rest. Or you subtract 1 minus. Here said if the share of wife is 1 over 8
And then
and the share of each son, how many
1
sons?
over 3.
3 sons. So minus or plus 3 over 4 because we have 3 sons.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Also, then we subtract. We put the
So I
same
multiply
eliminate.
those by 2.
Say 8 over 8. And here you multiply by 2, so it will be 6. 1 plus 6 is 7 over 8. So the fraction is what? 1 over 8. We multiply this by what?
So we just divide by 8. So it's 100,000.
Yes, 800,000. You simplify, so will be the same amount. So 100,000. So the answer is C. Clear, Yasmin?
Yeah.
Right, good. Okay. Can you write on the board, Yasmin, or you can't?
I mean, it lets me, I can, but I'm on my laptop, so it's gonna look really messy.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay. Now number 15. Read.
60 is 5% of a number. What is the number? So to find 60, we multiplied the original number by 0.5 or by, yeah, right?
Yeah, it's very easy. Here, give me 5%, 5 over 100 of a number, so we put x equals 60.
So basically 0.5x equals 60.
Yeah,
So we divide 60 by 0.5.
yeah. Here, we multiply by the flip of the fraction. So you multiply by 100 over 5, by 100 over 5, because here will be x, and here, what is it? You simplify is will be 12, so the answer 1200.
Okay.
Yalla Yasmin, number 16.
Try to multiply 90 by 1 over 6 to find his weight on the moon, which is C15.
Yes, what is it will be here? Here, the weight on the moon is 1 over 6 the weight on the air. So now we have something 90. So what is his weight on the moon? So we multiply 90 times 1 over 6, right? Then we simplify 6 divided by 6 is will be 15. So the answer is 15. Clear? Okay, number 17. Continue, Yasmin.
If 400% of a number is 200, so what is the number?
Yes. Here we have 400%. So over 100.
Is it 50? Because
Of a number, the
100%
answer is what?
50.
Is 50, correct. So equals 200. What is the number? So we multiply by, so you can simplify first, 20 to 0. Then you multiply by 1 over 4, or you divide it by 4 direct. So the answer x equals 50. Correct. So the answer is A. Good job. Yalla Abdul Mohsen.
Okay. Number 18. Voila.
If the ratio of the student with an excellent score to the whole student 2 over 6, find their percentage. So here we have 2 over 6. So 2 over 6. We need to find the percentage. We multiply by 100. So here, what is it? Divided by 1, 3 is 100 divided by 3. Is will be 33 what percent. So the answer is D. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Number 19, continue, Abdul Mohsen.
If 160 guests do not drink coffee and 60% drink it, how many people were invited?
How many people were invited? So, what is the percentage? So here 160 guests do not drink and 60% drink. Not drink, what is the percentage will be? What is the rest or the remainder?
40%.
Is 40%. So we find it 40% divided by 100 of x equals, or of x equals 160. Right? So we simplify now. 0 with 0. You multiply by the flip of the fraction, 10 over 4. So we divided by 4 is 40. 40 times 10 is 400. So x 400. The answer is what? Is 400. Clear?
Clear.
Right. Yasmin, clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Number 20. Continue بعد خنيزي.
If 35% Q equals 25% of 280, what is the value of Q?
Yes. 35% equals 25% of 280. So first, you cancel percentage with percentage. So 35 cube equals 25 times 280. Then you divide it by 35. You simplify. Simplify, divided by 7 is 5. By 7 is 40. By 5 is 1. By 5 is 5. So 5 times 40 is 200. So the answer is 200. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, number 21. Yalla, Yasmin, 21.
Okay. If the weight of 4 oranges is equivalent to the weight of 3 red apples, or the weight of 2 green apples, what is the equivalent weight of orange if we have 48 red apples and 36 green apples? So the ratio is 4 to 3 to 2.
Yes. Oh, the ratio, yeah, 4 and 3. So what is the 4? For red
Yeah.
is the 3, right?
Yeah, and for green is 2.
Orange. So orange is 4. Then green, or the
2.
weight of 2 green, it will be 2.
Yeah.
Then
So,
say, what is the equivalent weight of orange if we have 48? So 48 red apples and 36 green. We find it how to become 36? How 3 become 48? So we multiply this by 16 and here by what? By 18. Right? So here you multiply by 16, you get 48. Here you multiply by 18. What about the orange
Do you see
now?
pattern? So
Yeah,
is it 4?
you multiply first 4 times 16 equals 64. This for red. Red, orange, red. This is the ratio. And also you multiply 4 times 18, you get 72. Then we add them. So
We add
6,
them?
huh?
Oh, okay, never mind. Sorry.
Yeah, it's the answer is 136.
Okay.
Clear? Right. Okay, 22. Continue, Yasmin.
If the ratio of the area of a square to area of a circle is 1 to 4 pi, then what is the ratio of the length of the square side to the radius of the circle?
Yes, it's very easy. We have this ratio 1 over 4 pi. This ratio is the ratio of the area of the square. What is the formula? Is will be S square over the area of the circle. What is the formula? Is pi.
R squared pi.
So we multiply now, we need the area of the square side to the radius. We multiply by to find the side over the radius. When you multiply by, will be by here. Over,
Isn't it 1 over 2 pi?
yes,
Because the square root of 4 is 2, and
you,
then the square
yes.
root of 1 is 1.
Yeah, you simplify by with by, then you get 1 over 4. So you take now the square root. So S over R equals 1 over 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. Clear? Right. Okay, last one for you, Yasmin. 23.
The ratio of the area of a square to the area of a circle is 1 to 4. Then what is the ratio of the length of the square side to the radius of the circle?
Yes. So here, the same.
Okay, but why is there no pi next to the 4?
Yeah, it is 1 over 4 without pi.
Why?
Yeah, but this give me in the questions the same. So S square over pi R square equals 1 over 4. In the above, so this 1 over 4 pi, because give me 4 pi. Then the same, you multiply by S square of R square is pi over 4. Then you take square root. If you take square root of S square over R square is
So it's square root of pi over 2.
over 4. Now, so S over R, so this square root of pi. Square root of pi. So here, pi. Divide the square root of 4 is 10. So square root of pi divided by 2. So the answer is C. Clear?
Clear.
يلا okay, now we will take also هذه بعد الصفحة عندنا صفحتين خلصهم علشان نخلص الشابتر 24. يلا يا عبد المحسن.
Okay, 3 squares, the proportions of their areas is 4 to 3 to 2. If the area of the first square is 240, what is the total area of the other 2 squares?
Yes. Look here, give me the ratio for 3 square. There's 4, the first one, and 3, and 2. Give me the first area is 240. So we can find one ratio. To find one part, because give me this 240. To find one part, you divide it by 4, you get 60. So this is one part. Now for the second squares, you multiply by 60. The third square, you multiply by 60. So 3 times 60 will be 180. 2 times 60 is 120. 60 times 4 is 240. We find it for all squares. But ask me here, what is the total area of the other 2 squares? Oh, total. We find the total 180 plus 120. The answer is what? 300. So the answer is C. Clear?
Clear.
Clear.
Right. 25. يلا بعد عبد المحسن 25.
A bag in which there are a number of red, green, and yellow marbles. If the probability of choosing a green marble is 1 over 3, and the probability of choosing a red marble is 1 over 2, and the number of green marbles inside the bag is 8, how many balls in the bag?
How many balls in the bag? So we have here the ratio green over whole. We find it green over whole. So what is it? A green is what? Is third, right? See, we put third. And also in the back is 8 green marble. Right? Is 8. So we substitute green, we put 8 over whole equals 1 over 3. So we find now W, cross multiplying 8 times 3 is 24. So the answer is 24. Is it?
It's clear, but why did they talk about the red marble back then?
Why what?
Why did they talk about the red marble?
Yeah, because right now here said لا اوكي لازم تخلي على all the whole because said how many balls in the back. Now the red not give me how many balls. You can find also if you have 8, then you can find the balls of red. Then you add them. This also the way. But another method. Because here choosing red marble is half. But now, because we don't know, I also, no need يعني here to find the red. Only we want to find the whole or the all balls. Like this, green over whole equals third, then cross multiplying, you get the value. Okay, 26. If the ratio of the boys in a KJ to the girls is 2/3. Then of KJ, its children is 15. The children is 15. See, we bought 15. How many boys are there? Here, give me the ratio, the boys with the girls. We need the ratio for all. What is the ratio for all? You add 2 plus 3 equals 5. So we write it now here. We need in the boys is 2, right? My student is, now we want to find the one ratio, one bar. How to find one bar? So you divide it, 15 divided by the sum of the ratio, 2 plus 3. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So one ratio is 3. Now how many bars in children, boys? So we have 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. So we have 6 boys. يعني هنا يا جماعة أروح أجيب قيمة الجزء الواحد. أقسم مجموع children على مجموع الريشيو. يطلع لنا البارت 1 بارت. هذه هنا 1 بارت الجزء الواحد. بعدين if we find it 1 part is 3, you multiply by 2, you get 4 boys. If ask me about girls, you multiply by 3. 3 times 3 is 15. So the answer is 6. Okay, here the same question. A school has 42 students. This is the total. And the ratio of those whose pass it to all students is 5/6. How many students have failed? So we find the fraction for students have failed. So 5/6, you subtract 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1/6. This is the ratio for student have failed. So we multiply 42 times 1/6. You simplify. 6 divided by 6 is 1, 7. So the answer is 7. So it is 1. It's B. Clear? Okay, number 28. Yalla Yasmin, 28.
All right. A woman bought 3 perfumes if the value of the second perfume is half the value of the first perfume, and the value of the third perfume is half the value of the second perfume, and the total was 1,100 riyals. Then what is the value of the first perfume?
Yeah, what is the value of the first perfume? So we mention all the bars now. A woman bought 3 perfumes. So here 3. Where is it? Oh, 3 perfumes. So we cancel. We find it, the bar. We try it. We have This the first perfumes. This the second perfumes. This the third perfumes. Say the value of the second perfume is half. The value of the first perfume and the value of the third is half of the value of the second. And the total is 100 or 1,100. Here we try, so we cancel A because only say the value of the first perfume is invisible is 1,200 because the amount is 1,100. We try B. The first perfume is 600. The second one will be what? The second perfume is half of the first, so will be 300. And the value of the third is half of the value of the second. Right? Oh, okay. The second perfume is half of the value of the first. Is 600.
Can't we just divide 1,100 by 4? And then that's the value of the third perfume. And then we multiply the value of the third by 2 to find the second perfume. And then the rest is the first.
Yes, you can do to find the percentage, the ratio. Then you add it, then divide it by the amount. And the second perfume, the perfume is half of the volume. So it would be half is 150, right? When you add, is here approximate. 900 is 1,050. Near 1,010 because I think 120 is impossible. 500 will be less than the amount. So the answer is 600. So approximate to find it. You can do by any method if you have any way to find the answer. Okay, 29, Yasmin.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. The total number of animals in a farm is 63. If the cows are twice as many camels and the goats are twice as many cows, then how many camels are in the farm?
Yes. We write it all the person here. We have cows and where is it? Camel also. So the total is 63. We try it if you want to try. Because said the cows are twice as many camels. And the goats are twice as many cows. So here we have, if we assume camel is 1 and cows will be twice of camels, will be what? 2. And the goats are twice as many cows. So these goats will be 4. We add this ratio, then we divide it to find one part now. So 63 divided the sum of the ratio is 7. 63 divided 7 is 9. This one ratio, if I want to find the camels, you multiply by 1. 9 times 1 is 9. If I want to find cows, you multiply by 2, it will be 18. If you want to find how many goats, 9 times 4 is 36. Here, ask me about what? How many camels? Oh, about camels. How many camels? It's 9. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Or you can try it. If the camels is 9, the cows will be 18, and the goats is 36. When you add them, you get 63. Okay, the last 3 questions. If there are 72 people in a hall and the ratio of women to men is 5 to 7, so 5 for women and 7 for men, then find the number of men. So the same, we find only one bar, 72 divided by the sum of the ratio. 5 plus 7 equals 12 divided by 12. 72 divided by 12 is 6. This for one bar, right? So the men, how many? What is the ratio for the men? Is 7. 7 times 6, we get 42. Clear?
Yes.
Yalla Abdul Muhsin, the last 2.
Yes. Let x equal 4 over y. If you want to double x, then you have to
Give me x equals 4 over y.
I don't know, to be honest.
Yeah, cross multiplying.
Okay.
It will be xy equals what?
4.
But here we don't have divided, multiply, y by 2. So what will I do here? So divided y by 2. Here xy divided by 2, we divided by 2. Then what's happened will be, if you put divided by 2 here, and you put this here too, because say double x, this double x. So double x, then we divided y by what? By 2. So the answer is C. So if you want double x, when we will multiply by 2, so y divided by 2. So the answer is C. Okay, last one, yeah, Abdul Muhsin.
If Yasmin used 10 liters of lemon juice to mix it with 20 liters of strawberry juice, if she wanted to mix 50 liters of lemon juice, then how many liters would she need of strawberry juice? 100.
يا سلام عليك، كيف طلعت على طول 100؟
لأنه 10 to 20 is 1 to 2.
Yes.
So you just times it by 2.
Length, so will be 10 over 20. Then أعطاني 50. So 10 we multiply by 5. This we multiply by 5. So equals 100. Or you can use cross multiplying. Then you find it S is 100. Correct. Good job. اوكي ان شاء الله tomorrow بناخذ يونت جديد about statistic and probability. Okay, thank you very much my student. Inshallah see you in the next video.